Have you ever wondered how people lived thousands of years ago? The word ancient helps us talk about things very old and from long ago. Ancient means very old. It usually talks about things or people from a long time ago, especially in history. A common mistake is to use ancient to describe anything old, even if it is not very old. Ancient means extremely old, not just old. We often say ancient civilization, ancient history, or ancient ruins. You can also say from ancient times to show something is very old. The pyramids in Egypt are ancient monuments. We study ancient languages to understand old cultures. Some ancient trees are thousands of years old. Ancient art shows how people lived long ago. A young girl found an ancient coin in her backyard. It was so old, from a time far before her grandparents were born. She felt connected to the past. Think of the word ancient like a giant old tree with deep roots. It's strong and very, very old, just like the word means. Now you know ancient means very old. Try saying it and look for ancient things around you. Comment below your favorite ancient place.